Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends of Leica and friends of Xiaomi, welcome to the audience on behalf of Leica. My name is Andreas Kaufmann. I'm majority owner of Leica Camera and heading our supervisory board. This day marks the first important milestone of a long-term partnership with Xiaomi. Leica, an old brand, Xiaomi, a young brand moving fast ahead. We're sitting here at my family office and here with some technical documents exactly from 1925, one of the first Leica lenses, the well-known 3.5 Elmar. As you might know, Leica invented a modern photography, and continuous innovation is part of our brand DNA since over 100 years, when Oskar Barnack, and we have his sign here, designed the first Leica camera. As you know, we embrace smartphones because today they make a very important contribution to the world of photography, with billions of pictures a day uploaded to the internet and shared. Photography, in our opinion, is about capturing light and painting with light. And our proven optical engineering, our know-how, ensures top-grade lens quality, the best possible imaging results, and optical imaging performance. And thanks to this, we at Leica successfully provide best picture quality and the iconic Leica image look in the smartphone photography segment. Dear all, I'm very happy and excited of the technology partnership with Xiaomi that heralds a new era in smartphone photography. Enjoy shooting, enjoy capturing light.
Xiaomi.